If you need a void check for your Wealthsimple checking account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to download it in less than a minute. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your Wealthsimple checking account. This will take you to the account details page, where you can manage your banking information. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open your account settings. Scroll down until you find the section called Banking Details. In this section, you'll see your account information, including your transit number, institution number, and account number. You'll also see an option labeled Void Check. Beside it, tap the download button. Wealthsimple will generate a digital copy of your void check and open it on your screen. This document can be used for direct deposits, pre-authorized payments, payroll setup, and other banking purposes. To save or send the void check, tap the Share button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you can save the PDF directly to your device, email it to yourself, upload it to a website, or share it through any available app on your phone. One quick tip: before sending your void check to anyone, make sure you're sharing it with a trusted organization since it contains your banking information. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Wealthsimple void check. If this guide helped you out, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple tutorials and step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.